water in your Kenilworth basement right now? You need help fast, not a national call center 2 counties away. Kenilworth's older capes and colonials sit on full basements, making sump pump failures and burst pipes some of the most common disasters here. The restoration group is Kenilworth's top-rated water damage company, headquartered right on South 31st Street in the borough itself. They're IICRC certified and available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with a 60-minute on-site commitment. When your crew is already in Kenilworth, they arrive faster. Faster arrival means drying starts sooner, and that stops mold before it starts. The team uses commercial-grade extractors, LGR dehumidifiers, and air movers to pull moisture out of walls, floors, and subfloors completely. Moisture mapping confirms every wall cavity is truly dry. So your home passes inspection and your insurance claim holds up. They handle everything from water extraction to full reconstruction. One contractor, start to finish. No juggling 3 different companies. They work directly with your insurance carrier and provide all the documentation your adjuster needs: moisture logs, drying reports, and photos. Don't wait. Every hour matters. Call the restoration group at 855-650-7422